At Flowlens, customer success is a deliberate strategy. It is designed to help you, our customers, get the most out of our user-friendly cloud, CRM, and MRP software system. It is also a strategy that we live and breathe across our team. For us, customer success is a long-term approach to building a sustainable partnership with you. Being proactive is key both in helping you get started with Flowlens, but also in the longer term. And the first part of that is our onboarding process. This proven method, combined with proactive engagement throughout, helps our customers get results faster from their MRP and CRM system. To ensure success, we highly recommend that you appoint a senior person within your business to lead the change and get buy-in. Secondly, the success of the project relies on having good data to import into Flowlens. It's worth investing time and resource into cleansing your parts and bills of materials data in particular to get results faster. In the discovery phase, we learn more about your business. It helps our team gain an understanding of how Flowlens will work for you. In the training and integration phase, we get into the nitty-gritty of it all. It's very much a crawl, walk, run approach, working through each module of the system step by step. Our approach gives you a good understanding of how each aspect of the system interacts with the next and ensures your team are able to get used to the new way of working in small, manageable steps. We make sure that you build a solid foundation in Flowlens through the importing of existing data and integrating your accounting software. In the review and sign-off phase, we take a look back and reflect on how things have gone through the onboarding process. This is an equally important part of the process as it allows us to take first-hand feedback from our customers and continue to improve the way we do things.
Flowlens team were very efficient, professional and eager to understand who we are, which was key to push things forward.
But it doesn't just end there. Once your Flowlens CRM and MRP system is up and running, we'll check in at least twice a year. This helps us ensure we're still adding value and also captures your feedback on the product to help us inform future developments. We look forward to welcoming you as a customer.